name's John Underhill from Underhill Creations. I've been a woodworker now for about 35 years, and for the past 10 I've been primarily focused on pens and blank making for other turners. Over that time I've experimented with a lot of different finishes ranging from friction polish, furniture and floor urethanes, spray and dip lacquer, and several different brands of CA glue. About a year ago, a friend of mine called, another fellow turner, and he had experimented with GluBoost with great results. Wanted me to give it a try, and naturally I put it to my own test. So for the last year I've been using GluBoost on all of my wood and acrylic pens with great results. My finish time has gone down tremendously from what used to take me 30 to 45 minutes down to 4 to 8 minutes. There's no overwhelming fumes. There's no lack of durability. It's a flexible finish, so there's no cracking, there's no yellowing, and the accelerator doesn't leave any white spots in the finish, so there's nothing to sand off and start over again. It's very simple to use. You start out with the blue labeled here, fill and finish first. You build up a couple layers depending on what you're putting it on. It's kind of a self-leveling void filler, so if you have any dings or dents or cracks in the wood itself or a low spot in the acrylic, it's a great filler. In between every coat, you just a short burst of GluDry. And then you top it off here with the fill and finish orange label, the thin, and again, I put 3 to 5 coats down depending on the surface itself, and then I polish it. So let me show you how easy it is. Okay, we've got our blank turned down to size. We've got it sanded up to 600 grit. Now we're going to apply our finish. So what I like to do is take a paper towel, roll it up, and then flatten it out with my fingertips. We're going to set the lathe on about 1/4 of the speed. So I'll put a small drop here and work across the blank. And I'm going to take the GluDry. A quick burst. We're going to repeat this a couple times. This is a fairly smooth wood, so I won't have to put as many coats. We'll do 2 of the first, and now we're going to switch over to the orange. Just a small bit here in the center. This is a little thinner, so I usually add a little extra on the paper towel. Work across the blank. I'll stop this so you can see how this is going on here. Pretty shiny. Yeah, I don't see any white spots. I don't see any cracks. I don't see any shriveling up, as some do. It's dry to the touch. We're going to go ahead and add a couple more coats. Now what I like to do is take some steel wool. This is 4/0 extra fine steel wool, and I'll go across this with the lathe turned on full speed, light touches. What that does is removes any radial lines in the glue or any high points from the lathe turning as it applies. And then I'll just take light pressure, go across the top of the blank, back and forth, and then we'll remove any debris. Now we'll go straight to our micro mesh finishing. I'll go through all 9 coats, wet. Alright, that's our 9 coats. You can see, I'll wipe off the excess water. You can see how shiny and smooth that is now, and I haven't even buffed it yet on the wheels. So I'll take this over the buffing wheel, I'll finish the other half, we'll assemble it and see what we get. Okay, we're back. Got it all assembled. Let me move it around in the light for you. It's so shiny, it's hard to photograph. Piece of Grandma Midnight's lilac tree. Encased in GluBoost. As I move it, you can see how straight the reflections are. No yellowing, no cracking, no white spots. The perfect finish. I use GluBoost for all mine now. I love it. Give it a try, you'll love it too.